Hey, it's Chris Allingham of the Virtual Weber Bullet with a quick tip on how to unstick the lid of your Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker. So why does the lid stick on the Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker? The next time you go to cook, you try to lift off the lid, it just won't come off. Why does it get stuck? It sticks because moisture, grease, fat, smoke, and gunk from the cook collects on that ledge at the top in the middle cooking section. It forms like a glue, and it seals the lid to the middle cooking section when it dries. Well, one thing you don't want to do is use tools. Instead, you want to use vinegar or simple green. Simply spray along that seam between the lid and the middle cooking section. Let that liquid soften up the gunk, and within minutes, your lid will be free. Now, how do you prevent that sticking from happening in the future? Well, after you cook, while the cooker's still warm, take a paper towel, wipe off that ledge around the top of the middle cooking section, and wipe off the edge of the lid. That way there'll be no gunk to stick the two sections together. Now, if those two sections still want to stick together, place a towel over the edge of the middle cooking section. That way the lid won't seal completely. Or you can take a metal skewer, lay that across the edge of the middle cooking section, and when you place the lid on top, it won't seal completely. Or you can use a binder clip. Just stick the binder clip on the edge of the middle cooking section, and when you place the lid on top, the lid won't close completely. One last comment on sticking lids. I recently had an email from a guy who said that he's having a hard time getting the lid to go onto the top of the cooker. He had to press down on it to get it to seat correctly on top of the middle cooking section. And that while he was cooking, he would try to lift up the lid and he couldn't get it off. That's not really an issue with gunk or grease. That has to do with sort of the size of the lid itself. Perhaps the lid was manufactured just slightly too large, so it doesn't want to fit down into the middle cooking section. Or maybe the lid is out of round slightly and is rubbing against the sides. I'll put a link up here on how you can troubleshoot those kinds of issues with sticking lids. So those are your quick tips on sticking lids. I hope this information helps. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.